So we are in Chinatown. Chinatown's like really like one main drag strip, but on the other side of it, there are some more restaurants and things. So there's maybe about 30 restaurants or so to choose from, some shops. There's a mall that we just went into, so that's pretty cool. And we're about to go get some yummy stuff that we found in Chinatown in London. We just passed the place that made it, so we're gonna go grab that too. So she's all excited about it. She's pointing it out to me like I don't know where I'm going. We got them. Here, try one. Good? It's good, ain't it? Yeah, look at that. No, hard to tell. But they're called the Emperor's Cream Puff. I forgot what they were called in London. But in London, they were called by like their, I guess, authentic name, because I couldn't pronounce it. They're great. So if you're ever in Chinatown, in London or Australia, you gotta get yourself some Emperor's Cream Puffs. Trust me.